Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this top hat in foam. These are the pieces we'll use. When you're interested in the patterns, you can download them on our website. We don't use EVA foam but our own Creafoam, and you don't need glue to glue this foam. You only need a hot air from a heat gun. First step, this piece of foam on top of the bottom part. You can see this is the one size fits all version. So we'll take the heat gun. Here I have a hat where I didn't use this piece of foam. So when I put it on my head and if somebody taps on this hat, this will happen. This piece of foam will prevent that. You can see with this hat that it's a little bit curved. If you would like this straight, then you also need here a straight line. So these things here will make your hat a little bit curved. We'll take this piece and we'll glue both ends together like this. Next step is to join these two pieces. Make sure that the seam is at the back of your hat. So you position, make sure that these two parts are equal, and then take the heat gun. So this last part I forgot to show you in the first shot, but you need this to finish your hat. This is the top part, and it fits inside the foam, so not on top of it. Okay. As always, it's very common to have fingerprints. You just blow hot air over the hat and then all the fingerprints will disappear. So now the top hat is finished. Of course you can choose whatever finishing materials you like. For example, the tubes lights, LED lights, marabou feathers, whatever you like. We also have a wide range of foam colors, so there you can choose whatever combination you like. When you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When you're watching on Facebook, don't forget to like and share this video. If you have any questions, use our contact form on our website or use the comment section here below. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.